On diagonal scale, the diagonal scale gives us three successive dimensions, that is a unit, subunit, and a subdivision of subunit. Diagonal scale represents either three units or a unit and its subdivision. Diagonal scale represents three units like kilometer, hectometer, and decameter, or you can say meter, decimeter, centimeter, or yard, foot, inch, etc. So in diagonal scale, if you want to divide the subdivision into subunits, so how to divide? So if you want to divide this xy line into 10 number of equal parts, so for that we have to draw one line from y perpendicular to xy and divide this line yz into 10 number of equal parts. Join z to x and draw the parallel line to xy from all the points from 1 to 10. So these all horizontal lines are parallel to xy. Now in this inclined line we insert 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash points. Now here the distance between 2 points, 1 dash and 1. So this small line is equal to xy by 10. Then 2 dash 2 is equal to 2 times of 1 dash 1. 3 dash 3 is equal to 3 times of 1 dash 1. Means here you can easily measure the xy line into its n number of equal parts, means 10 number of equal parts. Now let us see one example from diagonal scale. Draw a diagonal scale of RF is equal to 1 by 40,000, showing kilometer, hectometer and decameter, and long enough to measure up to 8 kilometers. Show a distance of 5.36 kilometers. So given data in which RF is equal to 1 by 40,000, we have to show three consecutive units: kilometer, hectometer and decameter. The relation between these three is 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer and 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. Maximum measurement required in the scale is 8 kilometers. And after constructing the scale, we have to indicate 5.35 kilometers. 5.35 kilometer means 5 whole kilometers, plus you have to add 3 hectometer plus 5 decameters. So total distance 5.35 kilometers. So RF is given 1 by 40,000. First of all, find out actual length of scale. Equation is RF multiplied by maximum measurement required in the scale. Then convert the kilometer unit into centimeter. So finally we will have the actual length of scale is 20 centimeter. So how to construct diagonal scales? For that we have actual length of scale, which units we have to show, maximum measurement 8 kilometer, and our indication distance 5.36. We must know the relation between kilometer, hectometer and decameter. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer and 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. Now to construct the diagonal scale, first you draw horizontal line of 20 centimeter, which represents maximum measurement 8 kilometers. So you have to divide this line into 8 number of equal parts and put 0 after one division. On the right side, 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which represents kilometer units. Then prepared one box. Now on left side of 0, which is also 1 kilometer, but 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. So divide this first sub unit into 10 number of equal parts and insert 0 to left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 10. So in this scale up to this, it is known as plane scale, which represents 2 units. But for third unit, decameter, we have to draw one vertical line of any length and divide this vertical line into 10 number of equal parts, because 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. Okay, in which insert from bottom 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. These are the units represents decameter. Now 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. For that, we have to draw one line from 0 to incline line up to 1 division on the hectometer, which is shown in figure. Similarly, from 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 9. Now, this inclined line in which we can indicate 1 decameter, 2 decameter, 3 decameter, 4 decameter to 10 decameter, which is equal to 1 hectometer. Now, in this problem, we have to indicate 5.36 kilometer. So 5.36 kilometer means 5 kilometer plus 3 hectometers and plus 6 decameters. So on the red line from 3 hectometer, we have to pick up a horizontal from 6 decameter and incline from 3. The green dots represents the exact dimensions 5.36 kilometer. So you can insert like this arrow and represents the dimensions line and insert the measurements 5.36 kilometer. So this is a diagonal scale which can represent minimum measurements 0.01 kilometer means 1 decameter to 8 kilometers, which is a maximum measurement of the scale. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.